everyone, welcome back with another video. My name is Ritu and right now I'm at Hamad International Airport. Today I'm flying to Delhi for a very short vacation, especially Diwali. I have done all the check-in and my security formalities. Today I'm flying with Qatar Airways. Flight board करने में अभी भी 2 घंटा बाकी है. So I thought to shop something from the duty free. So you can find a lot of offers on chocolates and huge varieties of alcohol and tobacco. So काफ़ी offers थे यहाँ पर with the very affordable prices. So I took only one big chocolate for a hazelnut because मुझे ज़्यादा चाहिए नहीं थी. You can find out a lot of alcohol varieties over here and it is under very offer rate and affordable. After duty free I came to the food court because still I have 2 hours to board to flight and I'm feeling really hungry, so I thought to try some ramen here. Although food court मुझे थोड़ा यहाँ पर expensive लगता है, as well as there is a very less option to eat. This is a view from the food court and this is my flight. They are preparing for takeoff and yes, I got this big bowl of ramen chicken and it's really filling and very nice. And yes, only 1 hour is left to board on flight and the problem is with me is that battery problem. I have an iPhone and I don't have a power bank right now, so I'm worried about the charging. मुझे नहीं पता दिल्ली तक जाने तक चार्ज चलेगा कि नहीं चलेगा, but I'm looking for a charging point somewhere so I can stay there and charge at least 20-30% extra. Document required before traveling to India. First of all, आपका PCR test, and if you don't know, now PCR test के जो है rates has been reduces 160 riyal, so you don't need to pay 200 or 250 riyal for that, as well as bring your vaccination certificate. उसके अलावा एयर सुविधा में आपको जो भी आप डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करेंगे तो उसकी सबमिशन के बाद एक मेल मिलती है, तो दे आर आस्किंग दैट टू ऑल्सो. Apart from this, you can find the entertainment area in Hamad International Airport where there is a TV room, as well as if you'd like to use internet and listening music, then there is assistance for you also.
Regional Indian health authorities require all customers to wear face masks covering the nose and mouth and face shields as a
So you will find in your seat the travel kit as well as the entertainment. Also, in the kit you can find one gloves, mask, and the sanitizer, along with the headset for your internet. And there is a nice Bollywood movies are there, so you can see that all the new movies are there, so that you will get the nice entertainment while you are traveling and not feeling bored. And that, so there is a nice Bollywood movies as well as you have the Hollywood options also. If you would like to watch the Arabic or the South African movies, then there is two also. Now it's time for take off, and this is one of my favorite. So it's almost 30 minutes past from the takeoff and it's time for having a nice meal on board. So today I am having really nice chicken biryani along with this is the raspberry truffle, and this is a potato salad with black quinoa, as well as I have one focaccia. And in drinks, if you would like to have alcohol, then please go ahead. I have choose to have so you can have an option to see the map as well, from where your flight is passing on, which area, which mountain is there, and how long it will take to get to
Yahoo or having my show.
So finally, I reached Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 3, New Delhi, and on arrival you will find this really nice Happy Diwali, which makes you feel like that you are back to India. And पहले मुझे बोला गया था कि they are doing PCR test which is mandatory of 500 or 800 rupees, but this time I did not find anyone who is asking for the PCR test and pay. I think they have stopped, and I took my luggage already.